gonna give y'all a close-up of what's going on in this bed. We have some green beans need to come out. I think we got some carrots in this bed need to come out. They're all dying back, y'all. And we got some cucumbers in this bed. It's all dying back. And I need to get this bed all ready for fall, for some fall seedlings, guys. So I am about to just mend this bed and get these wood chips out and just get everything together for my fall seedlings, y'all, because it's ready. It's time. Look at all this. Everything just dying back, y'all. So I gotta get everything together. So yeah, guys, watch me work. We got some beans. So just like I said, guys, we got to get this whole bed mended and just get it ready for those fall seedlings I have. And harvest these green beans because they're dying back and they're ready, y'all. They're ready. And I did have some cucumbers in this bed as well. I already harvested that. Look at these green beans. Just take and snip all that off. Everywhere, y'all. Green beans everywhere. Carrot. Cute little carrots. Out, y'all know what? By the look of the roots, I think my cucumbers got some type of damage to the roots. That's why they died back so fast. I could have got like 2 rounds out of this thing, but something happened with my roots, so I'm gonna get that out. But I did harvest some off this cucumber plant. But I feel like I should have got more, you know. So, but it's okay. It did, my cucumber plant did what it wanted to do, what it's supposed to do. So now we getting everything out. Lord knows we need it, y'all. We need all the space we can get for all the seedlings I have. If you can look to the left here, that's all my seedlings. They're in the making. Roll this trellis up because it's no longer needed. Don't need a trellis right now because I'm not planting anything in this bed that needs a trellis. Look like we got a little ant problem too. All right, y'all, that's my little beans harvest. We have some little carrots. So what I'm doing here, I am getting all the bulky pieces out of my raised bed. And I'm going to add more nutrition back into the soil. Alright, y'all, this is what I have out of that bed. Oh, I got a bean left. So I'm gonna throw it. I'm gonna show y'all what my compost pile is. Throw it in the compost pile. That's the compost pile back here. So everything's inside the bin. Everything pretty much gonna break down. Look at that, I got some old bell peppers didn't make it. They didn't make it, y'all, so I had to pull it up. That's our that's what we go through as gardeners. What we plant sometimes don't make it, and sometimes it's successful. So I'm not letting that worry me. I got more things to plant. Look at that. That's all my seedlings. And we're gonna have a nice season. I do have a little volunteer in this bed here. I'm guessing that's this little see if y'all see it. It's like a little lettuce. Y'all, I don't know where it come from. It probably was a little seed dropped in here. But yes, that's a lettuce. I'm gonna let it do its own thing over here in the corner. Let it thrive right there where it's at. I'm not gonna fool with it. That's what I do. I like just saving, letting my little seedlings, my volunteers come up and just leave them there. Just let them be. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure all the roots is out this bed, y'all, so I can start transplanting at least some of those seedlings, y'all, because it's time. It's time for them to get in this bed. In their resting place. Oh, Lord, I got some worms in here. I don't want to dig, y'all. I don't want to dig too deep. I got some worms. I just saw worms. So I don't want to disturb y'all. I want to add a bag of topsoil to this. I want to add a bag of topsoil, and I want to add me some bone meal to this soil. Just amend it and give it some more nutrition inside of this soil. Because the plants I just took out did drain the soil a little bit. So this is pretty much used soil. So we got to add some more things to it to get it back growing, to get it back going for those seedlings can grow. We're going to add some vermiculite for drainage. Woo. That was a lot there. We're going to mix it all in. Mix that all in, y'all. That was a lot, but we're going to just mix it in. Y'all, that soil been sitting in that sun and it's so hot. I can feel the heat coming from that soil. And y'all know I love to put my bone meal in, so I can't leave that out. I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit on top. We're getting some rain.